Hi, I'm Reed, creator of Meadow Mentor. This will be a weekly series of development updates to inform you on the latest changes in the app. If you're new here, Meadow Mentor helps you master your therapeutic diet. It's your guide to gut health. You can try it for free at meadowmentor.com. Now, let's talk about the latest changes in the app for the week of March 9th through March 15th. These updates are live for you right now. Okay, so last week I bought the domain name meadowmentor.com. So you can use that and it will take you directly to the app. It's a lot easier to remember and use. Don't forget to share that link with people that you think could really benefit from this app. I updated the header at the top here to look nicer, to have a tagline, and also when you scroll, it's always on the page now, and you have access to the profile and logout buttons. I also made a lot of references to gut health, because that is a key core component of therapeutic diets, and have a little description on the website about why gut health matters. I improved the font as well. It's a bit more modern and really ties into the theme of health and wellness. I also updated the free tier so that you have access to all four AI features that are listed in this column. Initially, before you had only one AI feature that you could use, but now you can use all four, and for each day of each AI service, you can use it 2 times. And now let's take a look at the profile changes. I added a new card here that clearly outlines all of the AI features and how many uses you have remaining. So if you were to use the meal conversions, which is adapt a meal, it would say that you have 1 of 2 daily uses left. I also updated the early adopter subscription text to say that when you do upgrade, you get 3 times the daily uses. So that would be 6 uses per day when you upgrade. All right, let's take a look at a new feature that I'm developing called the 7-day planner. So the 7-day meal planner allows you to choose what kind of meals you want. So I'm gonna go with just lunch and snacks. And then you can say what you're comfortable with, cooking from scratch, baking. I don't really want to do much baking, and then making things at home, and to include a shopping list. You can then outline any dietary restrictions or allergies. So garlic for me is a no-no, unfortunately. I love dates, and I don't really eat a lot of fruit, but I want to include more of it in my diet. And then ingredients I dislike, nuts. Um, I don't really tolerate that well right now. So then I'm going to generate the plan and see what it comes up with. All right, so it says that I know that you're on a Crohn's and you have the specific carbohydrate diet, which by the way is because I have it set in my profile here, medical condition Crohn's, therapeutic diet SCD, and you can edit this. You can change this. You can change your diet as well. So then, it gives some suggestions, and then here is the meal plan. So lunch is leftover roasted chicken salad, small handful of ripe banana slices, and a drizzle of honey. Ooh, that sounds really good. I also don't eat banana, but I did say I wanted fruit, so there you go. That's awesome. The only challenge that I'm having right now, and the reason this is not released yet, is because the meals are really low on calories. I would eat a lot more food than it's asking me to eat. So, I'm gonna be working on that. Try to make sure that's um, more calories, and also allow people to customize based on their activity level and what they're wanting. If you're someone who's an athlete, then the AI should be able to make larger, more higher calorie meals. And then it has a shopping list. So in the future, I hope to integrate this with food delivery services like Instagram and Walmart so that it can generate a shopping list. You can click a button and it will buy and deliver everything to you. So hopefully, if you're really struggling with your health condition, this will make things a lot easier for you. Okay. So that's what I'm developing. Let me know what you think of this new 7-day meal planner and how I can make it better for you. This coming week, I'm really focused on marketing and getting the word out about the app. So feel free to share meadowmentor.com, that URL, with friends and family and random strangers on the street that complain about gut health. All right, that's it for this week. Let me know in the comments below what you're excited for and how is the app experience going for you. This is your chance to connect with me and influence the development of the app. I want to make this the best app possible to help you succeed on your therapeutic diet and to improve your gut health. If you haven't tried Meadow Mentor yet, create your free account at meadowmentor.com. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified when next week's development update is live on YouTube. All right, that's it. I'm Reed, and stay colonized. I mean, your gut microbiome, you want to make sure it stays colonized.